This is the defective differential of the Mercedes GLC 250. You can see here how is this fluid is coming. So this one is the defective. Now we have to replace. This one is the old one. Which one is the defective? I am showing this seal is damaged. That's why this all fluid came out, and this one is the too much free play. It was making noise. Now you can see the condition of the area where how this fluid is split in the all over the engine compartment. This seal near this propeller shaft was damaged. Now we are going to replace. So this axle shaft we have to disconnect from knuckle, from this area, and upper arm also we have to disconnect. Now you can see there E18, these are the bolt we have to disconnect. This one is the 4, 1, 2, 3, and one more is on the top of the differential near the propeller shaft. So there are 4 bolt we have to disconnect. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here behind of it's very difficult to show. So but one bolt is here behind of the differential. Now we have to remove the protection, and then we have to disconnect this propeller shaft. So these are the bolt also we have to remove, then we can remove the differential. So after removing differential bolt, just push one side of the differential, then you can get the space to use the proper tool here, and also need you one support, one technician, so anyone can help you. This is the differential of the front. You can see the condition of the differential. So please maintain schedule of the car.